What's good? Welcome back to another episode of Where the Money At, because you know we're looking for it, and you know right now we're focused on the cryptocurrency asset class. So today we're going to talk about a little bit of the cryptocurrency price action, what's going on with Bitcoin. Then we're going to get into the new ETFs that just dropped. We're going to discuss a little bit about that. Then we're going to have some fun with some fun thoughts about D.C.A.ing, what should we look for in the future, the bad investments and possible scams that you could get into. So pay attention for that. And after that, we're going to have a little fun and do some research on that. So let's get right into it. Let me share my screen. So we have the cryptocurrency market. Let me refresh CoinGecko really quickly. We have Bitcoin sitting at 27,400, Ethereum sitting at 1,600, and everybody's favorite, Ripple XRP sitting at 52 cents. So within the last 7 days, a little bit of movement has gone on, but nothing to talk about, nothing to go home about. Like, let's look at Bitcoin on the daily. If we zoom out, nothing's really happened. We've been in this range since August 14th, from 24,000 to 28,000, 29,000. Not much is going on. We did go above that major downtrend, so we could have a little more upward price action going. But, for the sake of shits and giggles, let's check out the MACD and the RSI indicators to see what we could do. And let's look at them on the weekly. So the MACD says that we possibly have more downward pressure to go, but it is turning white, so it could flip to higher price action. And if I had to take a guess, it looks like we're due for a little bit of higher price action, but who knows? The RSI is right in the middle, more towards the overbought than the oversold. So let's just pay attention to that. And one last thing, let's look at it on the monthly, just to get a good. So the MACD on the monthly looks like it has higher price action momentum, and the RSI is right in the middle. So, man, the RSI is not giving us anything right now. So, what does that mean? Who knows? You know what I'm saying? Unless you're a trader, you're not gonna like this everyday price action checking is not going to benefit you any. It's about executing your plan when you want to get in, when you want to get out. So let's just get into the news, and we'll come back to this. Ethereum futures ETFs start trading in US for the first time. Long story short, 9 new Ethereum ETFs have been launched on on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. So what is the significance of this? Well, anytime an ETF drops or a new financial product is created, it brings more exposure to the asset. It brings more validity to the asset, brings more volume, liquidity, all of those good things. And these things are bullish in the future for this asset, or for this particular one, which is Ethereum. None of this is financial advice, but you can see 9 new ETFs. These are the numbers for the first day. Some of them did great, some of them did not so great. But the point is, like I keep saying, more financial products will be created, which is good for the space. So that leads me to the next question, because look at this number. They did 1.7 million in one day, which is not a lot. But if you look at it, we're in the midst of a bear market, or at least a pullback. You know what I'm saying? So when the next bull run starts, I think those numbers will be dwarfed. You know what I'm saying? It'll be way more transaction. But the point is, more financial products will be created. So my question to you is, will your favorite altcoin get an ETF, which will ultimately probably be good for that asset? None of this is financial advice, but you get what I'm saying. Will XRP get an ETF in the future? Will Solana get an ETF in the future? For my portfolio's sake, I hope so. Cardano, Polkadot, Polygon, Chainlink, AVAX, all these software companies that are doing great things in the bear market. During the bull, money is going to come flooding in. New coins will start popping up everywhere. Money will be thrown everywhere, and people are going to get rich. You know what I'm saying? Will you be one of those people? Who knows? But also, people will get wrecked. So we're trying to bring you guys the best information so you could be on the rich side of that. But, none of it is financial advice, but we're doing the best we can, and we're building a community. So if you like what you're listening to, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment. But let's get into the fun part of the day. All right. So I was on ESPN. This is a screenshot. And this right here, this is ESPN, by the way. Huge. I can't imagine how many millions of people go to ESPN.com a day. But Meme Combat advertisement was there. And I took 2 more screenshots just showing what popped up. You know what I'm saying? You know how advertisements go. Traders are buying meme combat. Okay, cool. Can stake to earn. Can this stake to earn meme coin with 112% APY 100x? You know what I'm saying? So when let me pull it back up. So this is at the eye test, this is not a good investment to make. You know what I'm saying? This is a cryptocurrency and it's not a good one to make. But on the fact that it's on a platform like ESPN, I've even seen it on CoinGecko, someone will invest in it and someone will buy it just because it's there. But when I look at it, it just doesn't look like a good investment to me. But let me be fair. Let me be fair and let's do some research and let's see if it's a good investment. So I went to the website and we're on Meme Combat. So what is it? Stake, play, and get rewards. Okay, so they have staking. You know what I'm saying? That's the first thing they push out there. You buy this, you can stake it. All right, not a great sign. Play, it's a game. You know what I'm saying? Like it looks super fun. You know what I'm saying? Not really. You know what I'm saying? Like whatever. Like gaming is huge, but to get people into a game, like that's crazy. And the first thing on the website is how to buy, staking. But let me be fair. Let me try to look for some positive things. USTD raised, you know what I'm saying? Like that's great, I guess. And this could be the next hot thing. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it is, but let's check their Twitter. What they got going over there. So they came out in August. You know what I'm saying? They already got 6,200 followers. All right. All right, I guess that's cool. You know what I'm saying? This could be the next big thing, but I don't think so. They got the memes going, you gotta have your memes. They got decent engagement. Well, not really. Of all the impressions they're making, they're 1% engagement. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not thrilled so far, but let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's look at the team. You guys know I like the team. All right, so 5 people. One person you can click on and go to their LinkedIn. You can't. There's nobody else's LinkedIn, but there's somebody who doesn't have their face on there. You know what I'm saying? And they got AI generated photos. I'm guessing these are their real faces. You don't see this person. So let's click on the project lead and the founder. All right, 500 connections. He specializes in enterprise operations and scaling. Well, that's not a game maker or a cryptocurrency anything. COO at North Technologies. Cutting edge. All right, so he doesn't have anything about the game. You know what I'm saying? So that's not a good sign. But you can't. He is exposed. You know what I'm saying? His face is here. This is really him. So I can appreciate that. But the team, you can't click on everybody's. You know what I'm saying? There's only one person with their LinkedIn. This person doesn't even have their photo. You know what I'm saying? Like you have to pay attention to these things and do some research before you decide to make investments. You know what I'm saying? Like you really want to scrutinize these projects before you give them their money, before you give them your money. Like, does this look like a game you play? Man, it looks terrible and trash. And I'm gonna keep it a stack with you. But it was on ESPN, and maybe I go to ESPN and I like crypto, so it could be a customized ad, but somebody's gonna see this and somebody's gonna buy it, and I don't recommend it. You know what I'm saying? Not financial advice, but hey, it is what it is. You do what you do. But this is the type of thing that's gonna happen, especially when the price starts going up. Let me close these. We don't need these anymore. When the price starts going up back towards 70,000 and beyond, those type of ads are going to pop up everywhere. New coins, you know what I'm saying? All type of harebrained schemes. And a lot of people are going to invest in them, and a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? So I want to keep you guys as safe as possible and point out these type of things. And really quickly before we go, I just want to mention we're going to start looking at the total altcoin market cap, the total too. So everything minus Bitcoin, I think, and the total cryptocurrency market cap. So we are at basically 1 trillion. And at the height of cryptocurrency, it was at 3 trillion. So looking at this chart, it kind of gives you a different perspective. Like we are about 66% down from the all-time high, which means in my eyes, some of these projects could be at a discount. That's what I take from that. That's my first thought. You know what I'm saying? You may look at it and get another perspective, but that's why we need to share these things and talk about them. And that's why I continue to D.C.A. I'm picking one day out the month that I will take money and invest as a set amount and invest in a certain amount of projects. And I just think about the projects the month before. And it's normally the same thing, but that's what I do. You know, once a month, invest, invest, invest. So my personal feelings about the market right now, I feel like we have more downside to go, but I still want to continue to D.C.A. So what did I come up with? Okay, I'm just going to continue to D.C.A. on the same time every month, but I will just reduce how much I put in a little bit. I'm not overextending myself to invest in this asset class because it could all go to zero tomorrow, which in my mind, as soon as I invest it, it's already gone. I've already lost it. So if I lose 100% of my portfolio today, I'm cool with that. That's the type of mindset you need to have with it. I'm not going to be ecstatic. I'll be pretty hurt, but I'm not going to be down and out. It's not going to change my lifestyle. It's not going to hurt me. I'm not going to lose anything. I'm not going to go into debt. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how you need to be investing, and your amount depends on your situation. So let's stay safe. Let's stay locked in. You know what I'm saying? We were at 3 trillion. Now we're at 1 trillion. You know what I'm saying? We have room to grow, and we've been somewhere before, and we could exceed that in the future. So, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. We trying to get the 50 subscribers. Let's get to it. We 5 away. Hey, let's get them likes up. Let's go. I'm gonna holler at y'all later.